Thank you for your time today. Your relationship manager will contact you within the next 24 hours to discuss the policy details. Thanks for considering ABC Insurance Partners.
Perfect. Hey guys, I'm Ronit, and in this video we'll take a look at how we can use AI agents to automate business workflows. So let's go ahead and open up Atoms, the AI voice agent by smallest.ai. Now I have a couple of agents right here, but I'm going to go ahead and open up a health insurance lead generation agent. So I am going to be leaving the template for this script in the description below. You can go ahead and upload it. It's a JSON file, by the way. You can go ahead and upload it by hitting this upload button right here. And you can also edit it if you want. All right, so the script starts ahead with a greeting and figures out whether the user is interested in the health insurance or not. It then goes ahead and asks a couple of qualifying questions, such as name, number of people you want to get covered, or even the coverage range. And depending on the amount, let's say if it's more than 50 lakhs, so it goes ahead and assigns a relationship manager to it using an API call. Or if it's lower than 50 lakhs, it goes ahead and tells the user that they'll be receiving an email after this call with an application link to get their policy started. And in the end, after the call is cut, I have put a post API call which gets that part done. So let's go ahead into the tips I want to cover. First is loop conditions. Now, why do you need loop conditions? Sometimes you want to get information out of the user without which you don't want your agent to go ahead or deeper into the script, right? So for example, obviously I need their full name, their occupation, the number of family members, and the coverage range that they would like to have. And without that, there is no point of having this call. So I'm going to open up one node here. I've given the prompt to ask the user for their full name. And here you can see loop condition, which I've turned on. So now the agent will make sure that it gets a full name of first name, a middle name, a surname, or just the first name and surname before moving ahead onto the next node. So this is pretty important, and I've switched it on right up till here. User must provide coverage. Now coming to my next step, which is the API call node. So here I have given it a body, the first name of the customer and the coverage that they want. It will input this information and extract the manager's name, which I will then use in the last node right here. So you can go ahead and test it out as well. And there you go, the status is confirmed. All right, and to my last step, which is the post call API node. This node only takes place after the call is cut and automatically sends or edits information that you've received during the call. Let's just open this, and you can go ahead, add headers if required, add authorization and body if required, and go ahead and test it out. So another tip that I wanted to cover was the branch conditions. All right, so I'm just going to open up this branch right here, and you can see the branch description beneath the branch prompt. So sometimes what happens is just one kind of prompt will not cover the kinds of responses a user can give. So for example, the agent asks whether the customer would like to explore any add-ons. So how do I write that down as an optional or acceptable response for the agent? So here I've written it, take this route if the user does not intend to explore any add-ons. And once you're done editing the whole script, go ahead and click the save button here as well, so that all of it gets saved in one go. And I think we're ready to go ahead and test our agent. All right, I think we're ready to do a test call. I'll just put my number here.
Hi, this is James calling from ABC Insurance Partners. We are excited to introduce some new health insurance options, and I wanted to see if you might be interested in hearing about them today.
Yeah, sure. Let's go ahead.
Thank you for your interest. Before I share our new options with you, could you tell me if you currently have any health insurance coverage, or if you've been considering getting new coverage recently?
I do have a policy already going on, but I was looking for a new one anyways. Can you help me?
I will be happy to help find the right plan for you. Could you please share your full name with me?
Yes, it's Ronit Singh.
Thank you, Raunak. Could you tell me which industry you work in?
I work in the media and entertainment industry.
Could you tell me what your job title is in the media and entertainment industry?
Yep, I work as a growth manager.
How many family members would you like to include in your health insurance coverage?
So there are 4 people, including me. That's my father, mother, younger sister, and me. Yes, 4 people.
I understand you'd like to cover 4 family members. Could you confirm who would be included in the coverage?
Yes, including me.
Would you like to hear about any additional benefits we offer, such as maternity cover, or PD coverage, or wellness rewards?
No, I'm not interested in any of the add-ons.
What level of coverage were you thinking about for your family? We offer different tiers with varying levels of coverage.
Okay, so I was looking at around 75 lakhs. Can you do that?
Based on your requirements, you'll be assigned a relationship manager who will personally help you find the best plan. They will be in touch with you soon to discuss the details.
All right, let's go ahead.
Thank you for your time today. Your relationship manager will contact you within the next 24 hours to discuss the policy details. Thanks for considering ABC Insurance Partners.
Perfect. All right, I think that call went pretty well. Gentle reminder that the template for this script will be in the description below. I'm also going to add a few tutorials on how you can create a script from scratch, set up your outbound calls, set up your audience lists, the numbers you need to call. All of them will be available in the description below, and go ahead and test out your first AI agent. Happy experimenting, happy automating, and I'll see you in the next video.